over the last 24 hours, or at least on X, and there was some information that probably you are not free. Kindly clarify to us what exactly the status is.
It's incredible. The freedom of expression does not extend to defaming other people. I was not arrested. I have never in my lifetime bribed a single judicial officer. And if anyone has any evidence, let them, I'll pay for the newspaper advertisement. I will pay for the publication, a full page, if you have a single incident I've ever bribed a judge or a magistrate. So here is this one person who's a politician called Macarena. And he goes to his Twitter account, X account, alleges that I have been arrested by the EACC, takes an old clip of the arrest of a former judge known as Justice Mutava on a complaint by Honorable Raphael Tuju on his EADB case. And the EACC arrested whoever was involved in that incident. You know, I think it's about 2 months ago. So he takes that clip and then alleges that I was involved in the arrest in alleged bribery of a judge for 24.5 million, and that allegedly I had been arrested by the EACC. So I call this fella and I ask him, excuse me, when did you see me get arrested? And why would you use a clip of a former judge being arrested to then transpose that to me and allege that it is me? And he said, go to court. Very arrogant. And then he switches his story and he says, oh, that's not my account. I do a search and a verification. And I send to him, this is your account. Look at your Facebook. This is your account. And so he goes silent. And so I issue a demand to him, and he doesn't even respond. The EACC then issues a public statement that is in the public domain. And then people just go out there and spread misinformation. Because someone wants to tarnish your name. For what? To what end? For what purpose? I was never arrested. I have not been arrested. I have not been involved in any bribery of any judicial officer. And that is not something I would even contemplate. But to tarnish my name, to what end? So that I do not then stand on my 2 feet as a legal practitioner. This is someone whom I've told that I'm going to take you to court. And I'm sorry, you haven't even issued an apology. And beyond that, I'm going to have your Twitter account closed. Because this sort of thing should be stopped. And I'm going to have the cybercrime unit just follow you, because it's a criminal offense under the Misuse of Computer and Cybercrime Act. This is wrong and totally offensive. I was not arrested.
Right.
I was not involved in any act of corruption or bribery.
Okay. Thank you so much for that clarity. And thank you for being here this morning.
Yes. I think this is testament to the fact that I have been arrested.
All right. So back to the